How you guys doing? Today, I just want to give you guys more in-depth and more breakdown on how this week went. This week, if you trade GG and you know that currency pair, you know that it has been consolidating crazily this week, and it has been dece- like deceiving me crazily. Not just me, my inner circle, because I do have a live trading session with my inner circle every single week, like Monday to Thursday. Friday, just like I don't trade on Friday. But GG has been crazy, like giving us money and taking some of it back. But at the end of the day, we managed to make some profit from it, which is one of the things that I want to share with you. That what really matters in this trading industry is how you manage your risk, how you are able to manage your risk and control your emotion towards the trade. That is the two things that can lead you to prosperity. And yes, of course, you need your edge, you need your trading edge, but what is the essence of having a trading hedge while you don't have a proper risk management? What is the essence of you having a strategy that gives you money, but you don't know how to manage your money or your emotion when things are going south, or things when things are not going to in your direction? So all these things are necessary, and which is why I created this live trading section to be able to help others, because I know one thing that helped me is when I was trading with someone that I actually like the way they trade. Like I did that for like 6 months, learning back like every single day. I'm not just learning on how they trade. Mostly I'm learning their reaction towards trade. I'm learning the way they respond to trade, the way they see trade on live trading sessions. So, and I'm combining my experience, and I'm combining all the things that that I've learned from other people, from other mentors. I'm combining everything with my own experience to be able to put it out there to help others. I'm not just helping you guys, I'm helping myself too, because the more I teach, the more I put myself out there, the more I get to become a better person and a better trader. So with all being said, I want to jump into the chat right now and just analyze and let you guys see how I was able to manage to secure some profit in this week. Though this week is kind of slow. Last week was good. Like DJ was trending, I was capitalizing on that trend. Before further ado, let's jump into the chat and let's see what's up. Trade and talk about the trade that I took earlier on this week, and also how I've been making $1,000 or $2,000 from trading in uh this new account that I'm trying to build. So now, as you all can see, this is for I'm gonna go for us time frame. And again, if this is your first time watching this video, my name is Mosh. You can call me Smiley Mosh. And all I do, I trade GJ for a living. I don't know what else to do. I trade GJ for a living. I also do fitness training for a living. I trade for fun. My hobby is something that I do love. So now let's just jump and see. As we all know that on daily time frame, GJ GG is currently retesting, or we can say that it's forming a higher high and higher low. Then if you use our Fibonacci retracement from the previous low, if I will use this as the previous low to, so sorry guys, I have to, um, so using Fibonacci retracement, I think, yeah, okay, so I have to, sorry, guess I have to try. Okay. So there's, I don't know if you guys can see, but let me see if I can change the color. Let me change the property. Let me change the property and change it to the line or the levels. Let me change the levels to like black. Does that make sense? And let me delete this one. One, do we need one? Yeah, I think so. Let's see. Okay, good. So perfect. Now we have what I'm trying to show you guys, right? And I think we need 72. It's 72. 72. Sure. Okay, so here's the Fibonacci retracement that I'm trying to like use, but I don't. Okay, so I kind of have like a bunch of trade history right now. So let me just remove it that you guys can see what I'm trying to show you guys. What I'm trying to show you guys. Let me remove the trade history for now. Good. So you look more clear. Good. So as you can see, the trying to okay. So the way you draw Fibonacci is that you draw it from um you kind of like when you're drawing Fibonacci retracement and you're starting from you're doing like uptrend market, you have to start from the bottom to the top. So when you're doing for a market going down, you have to start from top to the bottom. So that's how you can like do just like I'm doing now for a buy trend or an uptrend. So now basically I was hoping for the market to retest this particular previous higher high that we did had before the market broke it up. Then again, unfortunately, it didn't reject from that particular spot, but it had to come down for stop loss hunt. For me, I see this as stop loss hunt, which is possible. I mean, it's something that GJ will do on a normal day. So this week has been consolidating, like we hasn't gotten a move like this big move, and which is kind of like strange. We hasn't gotten like if you see like almost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, almost the 4 weeks, and the whole week has been just there like few pips and there, and but I just want to tell you guys how I was able to technically my risk reward and what I was risking little money, but my plan was to capitalize and gain if I can. I was targeting like 60, 70 pips from the market, but at the goal, it won't happen. GJ will not give it to me this week, but I was still able to manage to get some profit from it. And I was targeting like 2000, 2005, but at some point I get 400. Sometimes I get 800, 1000, but you never know sometimes, which is why I said having a target, it's kind of mess up thing because when you set the targets and you don't hit the target, psychologically you're messed. Like when you set a target and you're about to eat it and you don't close it, you are messed up. So always take what the market has for you. And I think that's the lesson I learned from this week. And I know I'm a preacher for all these things. But at some points, you want to push yourself to some certain level. And sometimes I kind of like, okay, maybe DJ will push now. Maybe it will push now. Maybe it will push now. Then it led to some losses, but at the same time, when you have proper risk management, you learn to stay. I mean, you will always stay in the market for the right time or for when the market is supposed to move. So on daily time frame now, we can see how the market has pushed below our 61.8 level, which is always like the strongest from the Fibonacci retracement. Now, I will say that the market is retesting the market is retesting like 72% level, which is one thing that I have to tell you guys here because I tried to set stop, but it won't work. Let me see if I can set it up again. Let me see if I can set it up at the level. Hmm. I did. It's 2.1. Let's try that one. That's the level. What about the description? Um, oh, sorry. I think I get it now. 0.72. I think I get it now. So it's 2.1. 72.1. Oh, okay. Now I get it. Yeah. So I get it right now. So now, as you all can see, it's like I said earlier, it's retesting this 72.1 level, which is also strong too. Like I call this three golden zone on GJ. So what I'm actually looking for, I'm still looking for a buy because probably the market might want to continue the uptrend. So if going to 4 hours time frame, on first time frame, you can see how I'm telling you, like, this is how I go. I'm trying to explain to you how I was able to capitalize on Fibonacci retracement. So what I do is that, you always have like confluences or, criteria on things that you do see before you can enter market, right? So I use Fibonacci retracement, especially when I'm trading uptrend or downtrend. And when I use different time frame, and I also use time like trading sessions, to dictate my trade, because during London session market, that is where market we probably want to move. Then during Asia section, the market happens to go the opposite side of the market. Like let's say for example, if the market is trending now, like if this market is an uptrend, it's in an uptrend, it will first go to during Asia session, like during Tokyo session, it will first go to somewhere around deep. It will go to like 50, 40 pips down. And then during longer session, that is when it will start picking up. Then it will surpass that 50 pips. Then, it's like having to take some losses then, for people who are still in the market from previous days and all. So, and that is what I use all these things to. Again, I don't know where the market will go. I'm just trying to, judge the market, trade the market based on what I can see and when I'm on the trade. Like when I'm live, trading live, I judge that. I don't try to judge the market based on what I used to see, or what happened yesterday. So on 4 hours time frame, we can see how the market has been ranging. The market has been ranging in this particular spot. So which we are open to, like if I check, you see it's been ranging for like 60, 70, 80 pips. And for the last few days, it has been ranging at just like 40, 30, 40, 30, 40, 30 pips. So now let me go back to, let me have the trade history back so that you guys can see my trade for this week. So starting from the Monday, right? On Monday was it 20? I think my trade started. Let me check. On Monday was 25th. Um, okay. So yeah, on Monday, yeah. So my trade started from here. So though I took some small losses. I took some small losses there. So one thing about my trade is that I like to like keep my losses small and my risk small. So when I trade, I risk like maybe 8, 10, 11, 12 pips, maximum like 15 pips. Then when you see me losing like 30 pips, that's when I get greedy and I don't want to lose in the market. That's that is like probably like I'm trying to like pay back from the trade. So it happens that way, but again, we cannot complain. We're waiting for when GG will be giving us more. So on Monday, I think I got about $1,500 on Monday, and I think I have on Monday. I got 1,500 on Monday. This was the trade. I had three trade on. One was this where I I got out around 30 pips. The other one was when I got out uh, around 40 pips. Then I got out from the other one I got out from 60 pips. So it's just like three trades, but just trying to like, not because I realized all the things that were happening here, so I didn't want to. But once the trade passed this area, I was like, okay, I think the trade might want to go up now. So what I didn't realize that was I was supposed to like leave my trade till get to um the initial TP that I wanted, and it would have been a banger. Like I was expecting like 3K from this trade here, but because DJ was just trying to play me that time, so I just like okay. I thought nine back pass, so like 1,500 was also a banger for me. So I just had to like let that one go. Then again, I took some losses when I was trying to sell sales. I took some losses, like all those tiny, like 50, 100, $100, which like took me back to like almost losing about more than $500 from my trade. But this is like second day. If we check, it's like second day. Yeah. Okay, I think. Okay, so what happened was I was in profit. If you can see. You can see closely, I was in profit. Then I chipped my stop loss to my break even to break even. Then the market went back to retest. Then later went down. That was pain. It was painful. It was painful, but what can you do? Markets will do what it will do. So and it got there. It got us so here, and I went in with two trade with 2.5 lots, and I was able to get like I went in, then I got out around. But I still make profit, I still make profit. I enter like two or three trades, then I was able to make like I think another 1,000 because the losses I was using was quite interesting. So during that day, I didn't see this. I didn't, I to me I was thinking that like this is what I was thinking. I was thinking because I didn't see this one coming. Actually, I didn't see this one coming. I didn't see it coming, you know. But it happens. Like I said, trade is just the way it is. Then I had this buy too for like I had this buy that I bought. It's said I bought like two buys. And this just from there I started having some losses. That is it, guys, and you all can see how I was able to make the profit and had lost some losses. I think I'm gonna make another video stating why I had some losses and why I was over trading and the reason why, like for obvious reason or for the reason that I can't even tell, I don't know why I was making that kind of, maybe the market condition wasn't right for me and I was chasing trade because I knew it was supposed to go up. But I'm hoping next week it's gonna be like a big payout for my trade, which I'm hoping I'm waiting for. So with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this little breakdown on my trade this week. I will see you sometimes next week when I upload a new video for you guys. Peace out, and don't forget to subscribe and share this video if you like it. And turn on the notification button so you can be the first person to see when I upload videos.